Welcome, and Collins here for White Rose Crafts. Today we're going to unbox the new Life is a Beach kit that's available for purchase now at White Rose Crafts shop. So I'm going to take everything out of the box it comes in. I did open a couple of the packages, like I removed the small 6x6 papers, and I opened the packaging for the 12x12 papers. I'm going to remove all these extra goodies so we can get through the papers first, and then we'll go through all the extras that come with it. So we'll start with our large 12x12 papers. Our larger 12x12 papers, you have 3 that come from American Crafts, and it's from the Color of Memories collection. We'll start off with this one here. It's the Swimsuits, and it has a nice variety of swimsuits on here. You have a couple 2-piecers, and most of them are full figured, very retro looking swimsuits, which I think are so pretty. And they have like little faux washi holding them together. It looks like a little strip put together kind of thing. Super cute. You can of course fussy cut these out. I did that for a couple cards. And these are all single-sided. And of course you can use them in those little squares or rectangle. This paper here is called Rippled Water, and it's called Craft Creations UK. It's also single-sided. It looks like, of course, rippled water, but it goes from a lighter water to a bit darker. So you have that nice ombre type feel to it. Of course, this 12x12, you can cut them into 6x6, or you can cut them in sections of 4s, or however you would like. Alright, so this is also from American Crafts. This one is just a cut apart, and it has this beautiful woody car, vacation vibes, sunglasses, little Insta camera, the lifeguard post, sand dollar. You have the mermaid hair don't care, OMG, electric love, work less, summer more, beach vibes, good times. This is like a journaling spot, but of course that you can cut it and turn it into a shaker by making that your frame. You can use these for your scrapbook pages, mini albums, whichever you would like. I'm going to turn those into card toppers. Alright, so then we have the Popsicles. This is also from the Colors of Memories from American Craft. These Popsicles have an ombre from darker to lighter. I love the little striped one here. And then you have shades of purple, orangey red, yellows, aquas. It's just fun. This Quatrefoil here from lighter to darker teal is from Coordinations Core Basics. It's a single-sided as well, but it's pattern cardstock, and it has a nice texture to it as well. So it's nice and thick, where the American Crafts are just basic pattern paper. So those are our 12x12 papers, and you have a good variety and good start here. We have these 2 iridescent shimmer papers, and these are from Craft Creations. These are 12x8.5, and you have a blue one and a gold one, and I love how beautiful and shimmery they are. Then you have from Anita's, this is a foil decoupage sheets. You have 2 panels that you can create here. You have this oval one. It has like a little table setting with a little umbrella, and it just looks like you're out in a garden and enjoying everything. If you've never used decofoil sheets, basically each of these little panels pop out, and you layer them with some foam adhesive in between. Now you can go as deep as all those little things go, as you keep layering them as you go, and it creates a nice big, it's not really thick, but thick enough depending on how thick your foam pads are, image, and it creates like a 3D image. That's what I'm trying to say. Now you can stop at 1 or 2 panels or 3, or you can just go for the full thing, and the little pieces become smaller and smaller, so pop up those little details. So you have 2 full panels here to create 2 card fronts. Moving on to our 6x6 paper. This is from BoBunny, and this collection is called Boardwalk, and these are all single-sided. We'll start with our first one here. This is like a bunch of little stamps is what I'm thinking of, like, you know, that you mail stamps. And some of them have sentiments on them, which is so pretty, and then others have little images, like two of them have little kids. You have fish, crabs, sand dollars, a little beach house, sunglasses, a little that's a sea grid, I believe. And then you have anchor. You have some that have actual like seams on them, like beach seams. You have a lighthouse. This one has blue and with white stars. This one up here has red and white stripes, so it reminds me very Americana. That one looks like a peeling off boat. So you have a bunch of fun images. This one I love because it looks like old wood, and it has that teal and white. It's very rustic. It reminds me very much of the beach boardwalk. This one reminds me of a beach blanket. It has almost that look to it, and it has such fun colored stripes on it. This one reminds me of an underwater or maybe some foliage. I haven't quite, it almost looks like it's underwater, but who knows. It's just very pretty. This one is very textured, very layered. It has some sand dollars, some, what do you call these things? Starfish. It has the ship's wheel, and then you see some other little designs in the background, so it looks very layered. This one here is the one similar to that little stamp that it looks like a peeling part of a ship or boat. And then you have the anchors, which are tone on tone, and then you have a little hints of blue in there when that peeling paint. It's just really fun. I like the look of it. It looks very textured, but it's nice and smooth. This one is a graphic design. You have words like surf, carefree, tan, summer, heat, waves, warm, beach, ocean, etc. These are great. You can use it as is in the background, or you can cut them apart and use them as sentiments for your cards. This one here has a tone on tone, but the background has got wood to it, a wood tone, and it has these sepia type colors to it. You have a compass, a bike, a ship, and lots of sea animals on it. This one has it has a rickrack or chevron design, but has little dots to create those little chevrons. Beach balls, of course. Lots of fun full beach ball sheet. This one is my favorite. It's a tone-on-tone aqua colored pattern paper, and you see lightly these seahorses in white. It's just so calming and pretty, and you have them in all sizes from really tiny to bigger. This one is got a variety of ship's wheels on there, and all the same fun colors, so it's really cute. And of course you can cut these apart to create your front, your backgrounds, and such. Perfect for all your scrapbook layouts, cards, mini albums. So you have a nice variety here of 6x6 sheets, which are beautifully beach themed. I'm just going to spread these out here real quick so you have an idea of all the fun colors we have, from soft pastels to nice bright summer colors. From Scrapberry, you're going to receive 2 ink cubes. These are 2x2 cubes. You get one in blue, and this one is in orange. Just double checking my color. Yep, in orange. It looks red, but it's actually orange. From Kaisercraft, you're going to get these beautiful rhinestone flowers. You have a variety from smaller to large. So those pinks go nicely with the colors of our papers here. We're going to get some wonderful wood veneers in here. Get a leaf, a hibiscus flower, another leaf. This one's more of a tropical looking leaf, and a dragonfly. We get from, Melissa Francis, and these are flat back resin embellishments. This is called Beach Escape, and you have these beautiful flip-flops. This little oval plaque here has a scene similar to this decofoil thing. You have a ship and a volley and a beach ball. From Jolie Boutique, you get some tropical fish. From Culture Creations, you're going to get a mini die, and this is of a dolphin. I love that it's a layering die. You get the one dolphin has like a filigree to it, and the other one is solid. It's really pretty. You get some mulberry flowers, and these are pink begonias. Very pretty. So you can do a very feminine looking cards as well, or you can use these as just decorative. you get these tiny little charms, and these are from Scrapberry. And these little charms here, we have flip-flops. Oh my god, these are so cute. You get a lighthouse and a little seashell. I might be tempted to save these and turn them into jewelry or something. Alright, so from Kaisercraft, this is a clear stamp set. It's called Summer Splash. You have some sentiments like summertime. The tans will fade, but the memories are forever. Wish you were here. This beautiful seashell. 2 little beach cabana houses, some bubbles, and raindrops. So it's a fun stamp set. So this is our complete kit. The only thing this kit does not come with is cardstock, but I have plenty of that in my stash, and I will be creating 10 cards with this kit soon, so be on the lookout for that. Thank you for being here, and I hope you found some inspiration.